I spoke to Pecos. Pecos give away the dog Saturday. I was having issues with my dog and we made arrangements there for him, and who he was staying with at the time said they now keep my dog. Fine, no problem. I said to him, can you, if somebody can get him, if you keep him until me finish him passport, because I'm dealing with his passport and can travel come to Jamaica. Yes, dog need passport for travel. Yes, and I was in the midst of that. Me send him, he said that somebody could take him. They never want to keep him. I even asked me, say, me can pay them fee, then keep him for me until his passport finish. He said no. They said they wanted him. The Saturday, he sent the people them to pick him up. I called him back because I was indecisive, and I called him back. I said, Pecos, you can please make the people them know, say, me change my mind. Me say me change my mind. First he say, remember say never tell me about no money or nothing like that, but so me can go to the people and about no money. You say you go link by the people them, so me can get back my dog, please. He say, okay, I go link back the people them. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and today Tuesday again. And I cannot get back my dog, and me call him till my week. Me call the man till my week. I have reached out to his girlfriend on Instagram, asking for even tell me where and give the people and my dog so I can get my dog. And instead of responding or answering my calls, you are going to send my screenshot to people and I going to say, give away the dog. Brother, explain how the situation go before you try to make it seem like somebody post you. I have went through, me even post the dog before me post you. Me post the dog before me post you, Bridging. Me post the dog and I tell people to help me to find my dog. Before me post you, because you're not answering me. All I wonder if I crash, you crash, or I dead, you're dead. Me cannot answer. Me literally I'll message you and say, me at this point,